This is the Wet Dry Mop by Dream. So the charging base is below and it's plugged in, so I love that it does charge. Very sleek looking mop. Now it's not a pure vacuum, though it does vacuum things up. It's just more of a wet mop. You could see the foam roller in there. Basically the water goes wets it and then it rotates and it's able to clean. So really cool. This is your where you would put or fill up water. Really easy one-handed operation. And then on the back,
charging started.
You have the disposed waste in here. So basically open the same way, and this is all full of dirt and dirty water, mucky. It's like black usually. So those two compartments, you've got your mode here, or your control panel. So you can see the charging is 100%. And I left the sticker because I like to, I'm still getting used to it, but you have the suction mode, ultra mode, and auto mode. So basically you've got your, this is a clean mode, and that's the power button, which you would hold and press to turn on, and then that's changing the mode. So basically it is a wet mop. What you also get is a cleaning solution, which I haven't used yet. Not sure how it'll react on my floors. You get an extra cleaning brush, which is really nice, so that when you take yours out to clean, you've got an additional one. But these are not removable and you're not able to just dump them in the washing machine. You also have a cleaning brush that comes with it. So just so I could show you, so you lift this up, and it is quite heavy, and basically you just pull it down and hit the power button, and it talks to you. Oh, sorry, wrong one.
Auto mode.
So that's on auto mode. As you can see, the round brush is wet, rotating, and very damp. If you change the mode to ultra
mode,
then more water comes out. So I would use this more in my kitchen, on the tile. And then the next one is suction mode. So it actually sucks up the water if there's any left. So that's really great, and you can use it if you ever have spills to mop it up as well.
Powering off.
The battery life
put the appliance on the charging base for self-cleaning.
So it tells you that you put it on the charging base, and it actually cleans for an hour, which is really cool. So basically, it will clean and
charging
it will
started.
Charge, but it'll also clean. So you hit this button.
Starting self-cleaning.
As you can see, it's rotating and the dryer goes on and it slowly dries it, so you don't get mold and fungus. So of course it takes energy, 1 hour of self-cleaning. So I hit that button after I'm sure I've done like the whole place. But highly recommend this. I was very amazed at what it does and how it functions, because I hate mopping. So 100% recommend this.
This is the Dreamy vacuum and mop in one. There's a lot of really great features that I like about this one. For one, the display, which hopefully you can see that. It's nice and big, easy to read. Tells you what mode you're using, if you're mopping, vacuuming. The other thing I really like is how easy it is to pull out. This is for your clean water, and as you can see, it's super easy to go in and out. And then we have the dirty water tank and your vacuumed up stuff. So this is going to be in this tank here, and when you're doing that, you're going to push those together and you're going to pop that up. So it's pretty quick, pretty easy. And slides back in. If you want to turn the volume down, that's going to be at the back. It's going to be this button.
High volume selected. Voice prompts off. Voice prompt
that's how I prefer it, quieter. And it's just, you can turn it off if you don't need it. But overall, vacuum does go right down.
Powering off. Please put the appliance on the charging base for self-cleaning.
And as you can hear, when you're done, it's going to tell you to do that, and it will also start charging.
Auto mode.
You're going to change it by the top button here.
Ultra mode. Suction mode.
So when you get your vacuum mop, you're going to want to take all the plastic off, and it is everywhere. So you got to be really good at getting it from underneath in here and at the back. The roller is really easy to also take out, which is another plus to this one. So everything is really push button simple. If I can remember where the button is. So there's your plate. You're going to take that off. Now bear in mind I'm doing this upside down. Ah, there we go. So there's your release, and you can slide this out and put it back on once it's clean. And that's it. So overall, this mop's great on my hardwood floor. It vacuums up anything and everything. As you can see, easy to put together, take apart, and then it's great for charging it. It's got a nice long plug, and when you're done, I'm just going to put it in here.
Charging started.
Clean house. Highly recommend it.
Auto mode. Auto mode. Powering off. Please put the appliance on the charging base for self-cleaning. Powering off. Powering off. fill the clean water tank. Please fill the clean water tank.